So you may have seen some of my recent cloth simulation videos using Blender. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make these types of videos using the free 3D software called Blender. So first, open Blender from either Steam or Blender's official website and create a new project. Delete all of the default assets and add a plane. This will be our cloth, so I'll name it cloth. Next, I'll add a cone, open the modeling tab and move its origin to the bottom. I'll scale it down by 1/2, apply the scale and lower the cone. Next, I'll add a solidify modifier. This will help baking. Also add a collision modifier in the physics tab on the right menu. Now, let's make the cloth an actual cloth by adding the cloth modifier in the physics tab on the right. Make sure to have the bending model set to linear. This is a more realistic type of cloth and will make it look better. Make sure that in the cone collision tab, that one-sided is disabled. This will apply physics to all sides of the cone. Now, the simulation looks a bit weird. Let's subdivide it a few times. Now, add a subdivision modifier in on the cloth and bake the physics. And finally, set up your scene, choose a render directory and render the animation.